we'll be talking about how AI is basically creating a new gen of Power Platform space, and how we have different ways of developing the same things which we used to develop in a very different way, probably a couple of years ago. And it's a fast-paced environment and changes we are seeing. So, yeah, we'll be talking about how we can unlock innovation, and how we can take just a single simple thought which popped up in our head, having a shower or having a breakfast, and suddenly you realize that, okay, my organization can have this application. And that simple thought can be converted into an application very quickly now. And that's what we will be seeing today, how AI is embedding very nicely within Power Platform space, and how this whole Power Platform space is changing in the era of AI, vibe coding, generative pages, and using code apps and all these different things. So that's what we will be touching upon today. And a little bit about myself. So I work as delivery director in Synapse, and community super user, technical content creator. I try to basically create videos wherever I think can help people, or whatever problems I faced myself, so that you don't have to basically bang your heads hours now. Now in the era of AI, again, you don't have to. You can just write in the AI mode or chat GPT, and it can give you answer, but you don't have to spend hours on Stack Overflow trying to find a solution. But anyways, this is what I tried to do to help the community. And I started Power Platform User Group for Bangalore, India, and I tried to host like regular events, just like M365 Con, and try to gather like-minded people in Bangalore, India. So yeah, that's a little bit about myself. And coming to the topic, yeah, what are generative pages, and what is it that they do, and how it is helping Power Platform, right? So basically, generative pages within Power Platform is basically breakthrough within AI space. So we have seen ChatGPT come in 2022. We have seen Gemini. We have seen Claude. All these crazy models, but there was one space. I think a year ago, we could have said that the Power Platform space was lacking the AI-driven development approach, right? So that's why Microsoft is trying really hard, and trying to keep up with all its other initiatives, i.e., GitHub Copilot, GitHub Sparks, your Claude models, and everything, right? So generative pages are a way of Microsoft describing that, okay, AI driven development is the new way of doing Power Platform development. So what it does, right? So it's again AI driven capability within your model driven app. So you can basically, instead of creating your page by drag and drop, or your custom JavaScript, or your plugins and everything, right? What you can do is you can basically give a natural language prompt to your uh, page, to your model driven app. You can select your GPT model 5 or 4.1. Either of those two models are available. And you can just, as I mentioned, you can just give your thought, whatever thought came to your head while having your dinner or shower, that, okay, my organization lacks HR system, right? So let's try to create a HR system for the organization. Now you can just give, all right, give me one HR page as a landing home screen, which will give me like card design visuals and the ability to add leaves and everything with approval and everything. Now that single prompt can basically generate a whole functional page for you within your model driven app, which is purely React based. And what you can do is you can play it around, give iterative prompts just like any prompts model, and you can refine it up until to a point where you are happy with the functionality. Then that is the whole idea behind your pages. And your key characteristics of generative pages are basically, as I mentioned, like prompting. So natural language interface design, you have it. And then you have your real React code generation. And it's pretty cool, right? To see AI generating like thousands of lines of code based on your single prompt. So it generates all the React code for you line by line, and you can basically see what it's doing, the validations, and everything. And you can basically working with GPT models, when you're working with Claude models, when you're working with Gemini models for any AI driven development approach, where you struggle is to match the out of the box features Microsoft Power Platform offers you, i.e., your infrastructure, i.e., your security model, i.e., your Dataverse features, and everything, right? That is where you have to spend more time architecting your solution than doing the AI driven development. Now, that is solved with vibe coding apps, with your code apps, with your generative pages. Why? Because it directly and tightly integrates with Dataverse. How crazy is that?